Anna, you dancing? Oh, it's great dancing. Oops.
Cake.
Cake.
I got it.
You got it?
So glad you came to the moon festival today. You helped
I
us
got
make answers and yummy moon cake.
Molly.
I'll feel better.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
You know just what to do.
I got it.
Aw, Molly's trying to give Anna cake.
No. Shesha, Molly.
Good girl, Molly. You're an awful good sharer.
Yum.
Yummy taste.
Is it delicious? Are you?
Molly, you like it? Mmm, yummy.
People.
That's right. You can put it on the table. Molly won't move too far away from the next bush.
Let's do a cake. Over.
She's got so much cake.
A chocolate.
Right, it looks like chocolate, doesn't it? That's red bean paste.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. You want more of that red bean paste cake, don't you, Molly? Molly ate 3 pieces already.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. Oh, I'd love to get hugs from you.
I got it. I got it.
We're close up, Molly with cake in her mouth. Hi, Mom.
Oops.
Oops. Are you having fun?
Okay.
More cake. Yeah, do you like your cake? Oh, you need to give it to Anna?
I got it.
Oh, I know just what to do.
Mom, I think you can eat your own cake. That was just in Molly's
Shush
mouth,
it,
though, so we
Molly.
might want to hold on to that, Daddy. Ah, that was just in Molly's mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
There's plenty more on the table that is non-licked. Are you guys getting hungry for some noodles? We're gonna have noodles next.
I got it.
More. Are you singing, Anna? You're singing your Thailand songs? I know just what to do. Molly loves the cake. All right, let's see how they like the noodles.